Good morning, dear children of Standard 1. Today, teacher is going to teach you a poem from your Balbharti textbook, which is from page number 17. You can see that in front of you, colors. Okay? We will be learning this poem, but you are not going to learn it by heart. You are only going to see the different colors, which things are in different colors, and you are just going to revise this. Just read it every day, no? Just read this poem. And today we will be also doing a craft activity. Roshni Miss is showing you a beautiful craft activity. And when I read this poem, you will understand what is a craft activity. Okay, children? Shall we proceed? Okay. Green parrot, green peas, green grass, green trees. Repeat once again. Green parrot, green peas, green grass, green trees. Red apple, red tomatoes, red chili, red rose. Red apple, red tomatoes, red chili, red rose. White snow, white milk, white cotton, white silk. White snow, white milk, white cotton, white silk. Blue eyes, blueberry pie, blue sea, blue sky. Blue eyes, blueberry pie, blue sea, blue sky. Yellow lemons, yellow flowers, yellow bananas, yellow stars. Yellow lemons, yellow flowers, yellow bananas, yellow stars. Now, there might be many things which are green. So many things, not only parrot, peas, grass and trees. There are many things, even vegetables, there are so many. Green capsicum, green ladyfinger, green drumstick. Okay, so there are so many things which are green. Leaves are green. But here they are just seeing which colors are green, some of them. Same way there are so many red things also, right? Here they giving you apple, tomatoes, chili, rose. There are so many red things. You can say red dress, right? You can say anything which is red. Then here they are shown white snow, white milk, white cotton, white silk. Sometimes even the sky looks so white, isn't it? When it's a bright day, you see the clouds are so white, right? Your white teeth, your teeth when you brush it, it will be sparkling white. So white can be other things also. The next is blue eyes, blueberry pie, blue sea and blue sky. Okay. You have to think and find out which are the other blue things which you see, right? So here we are just showing you different colors. Then children, the next is yellow lemons, yellow flowers, yellow bananas, yellow stars, the yellow sunflower. Haven't you seen that, right? And whenever you color the sun, you always color it yellow, right? So you are not going to learn this, we are just understanding the colors. Okay, now down see, they have given you all the colors: blue, green, yellow, red, violet, orange, white, indigo. Now can you see the indigo color, children? It is kind of, it is neither gray nor blue nor dark blue. It's a mix. Okay, it's little, it looks like dark blue, that is more darker than the light blue. Okay, little. So indigo is that color, right? Now here we have learned these colors. So when you go to the next page, you will understand why these colors are so important. Okay, children? Yes, let's go to the next. Okay, children. Now here you can see boxes given. In the boxes there are letters. V. Now V stands for violet. So you are coloring that. I stands for indigo. In the last page we did na I. It stands for indigo color, little like dark blue. B stands for blue. So you will color the B letter. G stands for green. Color the G. Y stands for yellow. So you will color the Y. O stands for orange and R stands for red. Now these colors, children, V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. These are the colors which stands for something very beautiful. Okay, you will know when Miss is going to talk about it. It is a rainbow which you see in the sky. So the rainbow has 7 colors. How many colors the rainbow has? 7. That is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the colors of the rainbow. The rainbow looks very pretty on a rainy day. Suddenly the rain would stop and there is little sunlight in the sky. And that time you see the rainbow beautifully spread in the sky like a half semicircle, a full rainbow. Some of you must have seen it. Okay, it looks really pretty. So today Roshni Miss is going to teach you in craft how to make a rainbow. You have to see the audio, practice it very well, see the video also and practice it and do with the help of your parents, but do it very neatly. And in the book you have to color this, but you don't have to post this book activity, and we are just revising this with you. Okay, now moving on, let us look at a picture. You can look at the picture there and let us look at about the picture and speak about it. Right now, what can you see in the picture? You can see the yellow sun rising, isn't it? The sun is rising. You can see the green hills, right? The ducks are swimming happily in the pond. The ducks are swimming happily in the pond. Aren't they happy? Yes. The pink house really looks beautiful. And there is a chimney on the house. Can you see the chimney on the house? Yes. The house also has doors and windows. And it has a grey roof on it. And there is a tree near the house. Can you all see the tree near the house? Yes. And then there are beautiful red flowers. Beautiful red flowers. And there is green grass, right? And there's a purple balloon. So this is what the picture shows. Now what have they said? Green grass. They have explained green grass. So you can say green tree, right? You can say pink house. You can say grey tiles. You can say brown hills, white ducks, red flowers, right? Purple balloon. So you can fill up that, and down they have given the colors and you have to write the words. So what will you color and write the words? You will say red flower. Take the help of your parents to write flowers. It is red flower. The next is white ducks. Okay, you can also say swans. Swans are ducks. Violet balloon, right? Pink house. Next is yellow sun. And more if you want to say, it is brown hills, right? Green tree. Write all this, okay? But only write it, don't post it. Okay, children? And these are the colors. So I am again repeating it. This is just a poem for you to understand colors. You are not going to learn it by heart. You are just going to read this poem. That's all. Okay? And then today, after reading this, you will do the craft of rainbow. Okay, children? Have a good day. Thank you.